Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will explain how to create a magma hot text effect using layer styles and textures in Photoshop. So before I get started, please subscribe my channel and yes, don't forget to like, comment and share. So let's get started. First of all, take a new page, size as per your requirement. Now type a new text. Here I type sun. Now go to layer properties. In the left panel, click on the stroke. Here in right side, set the size to 1, position inside. Blend mode will be changed to lighter color. Fill type gradient. Here select natural density. Now set the color as per your choice. Here I am using the code FB830E and angle will be 90 degree. At last the scale will be 150%. Now go to background layer properties and select pattern overlay. Here select a magma type pattern at the bottom side and adjust the scale. Now take a new layer and fill with black color. After that, adjust the opacity of the layer. Now go to layer properties. Now click on color overlay. Here select color 232323. Now click on drop shadow. Opacity will be 85%. Angle 120 degree. Distance 19 pixel and size will 9 pixel. Now click on inner shadow. Here the color will be black. Opacity will be 100%. Distance will the same 0 pixel. Choke 0%. Here the size will 42% and noise 14%. Now click on the outer glow option. Here the blend mode will change to hard mix. Opacity will increase up to 100%. Here noise will 15%. Color gradient with black. Spread 10%. Size 2 pixel. And the contour will deep curve. Now click on the inner glow. Here the blend mode will change to liner dodge. Opacity increase up to 100%. The color will change with gradient and the color code is FAEAAC. Choke 0% and the size will be 8 pixel. Now click on the bevel emboss option. Here the style will change to outer bevel. The technique will chisel hard and the depth increase up to 969%. The size will 4 pixel. Angle minus 110 and the attitude will 30. Here the gross contour change to light curve. The color of highlighted mode is FA2A0F. And the opacity is 100%. The opacity is 100%. And the shadow mode, the color code is 191614. Now click on the texture under bevel and emboss option. Here select magma type texture. The scale and depth adjust as per your choice. Now I will duplicate this layer. After that, right click on the layer thumbnails and choose the clear layer style. Now again go to the layer properties. Click on the blending option. Here the fill opacity decrease up to 0%. Now go to the inner shadow. Here the blend mode will change to color dodge. The color will change with code F28627. The opacity is increased up to 100%. The angle will minus 90 degree. Distance will 17 pixel. Attached size will 26 pixel. Now go to the inner glow option. Here the blend mode will change to overlay. Opacity will decrease up to 24%. The color mode will change to code with FC. Choke will be 0% and the size set up to 31 pixel. Now click on the bevel and emboss option. The size will 30 pixel. Angle will 120 degree and the attitude will 39. Here the highlighted mode change with saturation with black color and the opacity will increase up to 100%. Again the shadow mode will change with overlay with black color and the opacity will decrease up to 57%. Now go to pattern and select a magma type pattern. At last adjust the scale with 50%. Now create a new layer and with the use of brush tool add some shadows below the text. Here I am using a black brush tool with hardness of 0% and size around 280 pixel. Now create another new layer and add some orange bright spots. Using again the brush tools and its opacity around 45%. Again create a new layer and add some highlights on top. Here I am using a paint with soft white brush. Now go to the text layer. Here we will use the smudge tool. Here I am set the strength with 30% and with a circular brush with hardness to 0. Smudge the edges like they are melting or blurred. Now I am taking a new layer and fill with black color. Now go to the layer properties. Here click on the pattern and select a smoke type pattern. Now select roughly with pen tool. Right click on it. Click on the make selection. Give a feather as per your requirement. Now copy the select part by the layer via copy option. Now set the blending mode to screen and adjust the opacity and delete the old one. In the same way again take a new layer and fill with black color. Again go to the layer properties. Click on the pattern. Now select a spark type pattern. Adjust the scale. Click on OK. Again select roughly with pen tool. Now right click inside the selection and click on make selection. Now copy the select part by layer via copy option and delete the old one. Now set the blending mode to again screen and adjust the opacity. Finally, switch the blending mode of the text layer to color dodge. Our magma text effect is ready. So I hope you all are enjoying this tutorial. Please give the feedback to the comment section and press the like button. Thank you.